Do you enjoy having a running nose, red and watery eyes? How about a good case of nasal congestion or post-nasal drip? Then you should consider starting your very own dust mite farm. It would look nothing like this one. And not nearly as much work. You can start your dust mite farm right there in your own home, in your carpet and in your furniture upholstery. Even the mattress on your bed. It's easy. You don't even have to feed them. They eat human skin. They turn all that human skin dust into dust mite feces. And that's what can stir up your allergies big time. Cute little animals, aren't they? Unfortunately, you can't see them without a microscope. You will know they are there because you will be sneezing and wheezing. Here's a few tips to start your own thriving dust mite farm. Let the humidity in your home soar like a sauna. Don't dust furniture and avoid running a sweeper on your carpet. Dusting and vacuuming can disturb the herd. And most important, avoid having your carpet, upholstery or mattresses professionally cleaned. Professional cleaners can do real damage to your dust mite farm. Before you know it, you'll find yourself back in that same old grind of breathing easy and smiling too much. Those dust mites you have so carefully raised will be just a distant memory. Start your dust mite farm today. Or, not. Not everyone is born to be a farmer.